Are you fascinated by cacti? Want to learn how to grow them? Cacti are unique and resilient plants that can thrive indoors and outdoors. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore how to successfully grow and care for your cactus. First, let's talk about choosing the right cactus. There are many types. Consider a smaller variety for beginners. Look for healthy plants with firm stems and vibrant color. Avoid cacti with brown spots or wilting. Next is potting your cactus. Use a well-draining cactus potting mix. A clay container is ideal as it absorbs excess moisture. Ensure the pot has drainage holes. This prevents root rot and keeps your cactus healthy. Now, let's discuss light requirements. Cacti love bright sunlight. Place your cactus in a south-facing window. If growing indoors, use grow lights. Provide at least 6 hours of light per day. This encourages growth and flowering. Watering is crucial but tricky. Cacti need less water than other plants. Water thoroughly but infrequently. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Too much water can kill your cactus. Feeding your cactus is important too. Use a cactus fertilizer during the growing season. Feed it once a month from spring to fall. This will provide the nutrients needed for growth. Pest control is vital. Watch for common pests like mealybugs and spider mites. If you notice them, use insecticidal soap. Regularly inspect your cactus to keep it pest-free. As for repotting, do this every couple of years. Repotting refreshes the soil and allows for growth. Handle your cactus with care, using gloves or tongs. This prevents injury and keeps you safe. Remember, patience is key. Cacti grow slowly, but with care, they thrive. Enjoy the process of watching them grow and flourish. In summary, choose the right cactus, pot it properly, provide plenty of light and water carefully. Regular feeding and pest control will ensure health. And don't forget to repot when needed. Ready to grow your own cactus? Start today and enjoy these unique plants. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.